Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, Deloitte has conducted the examination on 23rd, 24th and 25th of January, and still the exam is planned on other day as well. Now, many of you are really panic with respect to the cutoff, sectional cutoff, result date. I am going to give you the complete information, and also the Deloitte NLA 2024. We will compare in how many days the result was announced and what was basically the cutoff, right? So that also I am going to tell you. So each section, sectional cutoff. So what might be the cutoff for that? Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. And one more thing, friends, I wanted to tell you. So TCS MBA hiring, TCS free hiring, MBA hiring is announced for 2025 batch. So if you are from the 2025 MBA background, then you can please go ahead and apply. We will discuss everything in the detail. But before I proceed ahead with the video, friends, please do like and subscribe to the channel, because I don't want you to get any false information or all genuine information on time. Okay, fine. So let us try to understand when the exam happened first. So I will tell you the result date first, then one by one we will proceed. So basically the hiring was announced on 7th of January. Okay, so 7th of January 2025, our Deloitte NLA hiring for 2025 batch. Then almost after 15 days you had your exam. So 23rd of January the exam started. Okay, and now when the result will be announced. So let us go back and see. This is the YouTube videos which is uploaded on our channel. So you see, Deloitte exam was conducted on 13th of Feb. Deloitte exam was conducted on 12th of Feb. This is, I am talking about 2024. In 2024, Deloitte exam was also conducted 15th and 16th of Feb. So last year till 16th of Feb, the exam was conducted. And when was the result announced? The result was announced on Feb 28. Feb 28. So how many days? So basically around 10 to 12 days you will be getting the results. So around 10 to 12 days, or maximum within 15 days your result will be announced. This information is not there on the Deloitte website. I wanted to be very clear when I'm telling you something. Sir, how did you get this information? By going through the Deloitte 15th, 16th Feb. Okay, Deloitte 13th of Feb. So basically till 16th of Feb last year in 2024, you see the date. So Feb 16, 2024. The last exam was there for Deloitte. And from here you come down and then see Deloitte NLA result out. So within 12 days the result was announced. So maximum we can talk about 15 days. Within 15 days your result will be announced. That is the first factor. And also all the screenshots. So how you get the mail after registering, okay, and how the hiring was there. So each and every information, friends, is here. Then for BE BTech or BSc BCA, for any of them, the thing is there will be sectional cutoff. Okay, so there will be sectional cutoff. You know that you will be having technical MCQ, technical skills coding, then you will be having language skill English, aptitude and reasoning. So total 22 questions from aptitude and reasoning. Now, next is, so friends, there will be sectional cutoff. So every section is very, very important for you to clear. Sectional cutoff. Okay, fine. Many of you have done only one coding questions. Many of you have done two coding questions. Okay, that is also true. We will see. Now, friends, if we'll talk about English, total verbal ability, there are total, my dear friends, 13 questions are there. So if you have solved correctly around 7 questions, then your verbal ability section will be clear. Now, again, I wanted to tell you friends, the cutoff will be decided on number of positions. The cutoff will be decided on the number of positions for which Deloitte is hiring. See, it's very simple. Now, if the Deloitte is having 10,000 seats, okay, then they might keep the cutoff as 70%. I'm just giving an example. If the Deloitte is having 20,000 seats, they will lower down the cutoff 60%. If the Deloitte is having 50,000 seats, then they will again lower the cutoff by 40 to 50%. So the cutoff will be decided on number of vacancies which Deloitte is hiring. And this kind of cutoffs will never be published by any website on their particular official website, basically by any companies on their website. So here we can just predict, and how we will be able to predict from the previous year data only. From the previous year data only we will be able to predict. That is what I am doing. Reasoning, friends, see, there is something called experience. So it's been more than 12 years I am in IT, and more than 5 to 6 years I am teaching in this particular domain. Okay, see, there are many people who will be also telling you that this is the cutoff, that is the cutoff. They even have not joined IT companies. They even have not cracked the IT companies, but they will tell you all those things. And we just see the thumbnail and we go for it, and we get the wrong information and get panic. So that's the reason I always tell you, friends, whomever you are watching, it's me or someone, first see what that person has done. Okay, is that person working somewhere? That person has cleared any exam, or only one exam he has cleared, and that too he has not got the joining. So all those things you need to see. Then only you have to trust on their resources, because they only don't know, right? So they have not cleared the examination, and they have even cleared the examination but not go. How can you give the advice when you do not have any kind of experience of working in a company? Okay, anyway, reasoning, 12 question. Friends, reasoning and aptitude, right? So here if we'll talk about, let's say like if there are 22 questions are there, okay, and if you do combinedly some around 11 questions, 50%, because your aptitude questions was not easy. So if you'll go on individual level, if they're taking on individual level, then aptitude and reasoning both were of moderate level. Okay, moderate level, easy to moderate basically. It was not moderate to tough, easy to moderate. Because today in the live classes when I was teaching for Deloitte, I was going through the questions of data interpretation. I will just show you. So today when we were going, see, that's the reason I was telling you that you have to, if you are joining the live classes, you will understand. So today when I was doing this live classes for Deloitte, okay, the question which has been asked. So there I saw data interpretation questions were good. See, these were the question, okay, these were the question which was asked, you might be able to see. And they were the good questions, okay. So these questions cannot be easily solved. These questions cannot be easily solved in the examination. It will take time. And whatever I was doing, see, data interpretation question, no, I cannot directly put the screenshots in the classes. Otherwise, there will be copyright strikes. Okay. So that I am taking in the class only, and whatever questions we are solving on YouTube, that was easy level of the problem. So easy to moderate level of questions are there. So here we will be expecting 6 questions, and here we will be expecting 5 questions. If it is correct, then fine. Total 11 questions. If you have done it correctly, then you are good to go ahead. Technical MCQ, friends, technical MCQ 30 questions are there. So almost 15 questions plus you would have done correctly. I'm talking about correctly. And coding question, friends, coding will be a very much deciding factor. So if you have done 2 coding questions, then you do not have to worry. Okay, because when I was having the podcast with many of the students, they said, sir, I had done 2 questions. Okay, but if you have performed well in all these sections, and then if you have done 1 coding questions, then it is good to go. Okay, so 1 coding questions will be only considered when you have performed well in all other sections. So 65 to 70% if you have scored. Otherwise, always 2 coding questions a student will have more, you can say, they will have more opportunity to get interview calls than one coding questions if you have not performed well in other sections. I cannot say that one coding questions in 2024 did not get the interview call. They also got, but their performance was good in all these sections. But 2 coding questions with average performance in these sections, they were able to get the interview call and they got selected also, and they are working in Deloitte as well. See, recently if you'll see, we had captured here one of the interview experience for Deloitte. See that all those videos you should watch, that will give you more confidence here. See, Deloitte written test strategy, Deloitte resume doubt, Deloitte employee. So he has tried to explain whatever he could in this particular video. So you should watch this kind of videos, that will give you a lot of informations. Okay, so this was all about your cutoff and sectional cutoff. I hope this video is going to give you, see, don't get panic friends. You wrote the exam, you gave your best, and one thing I will tell you, whatever happens, it happens for a good reason. Trust me, whatever happens, it happens for a good reason. And I always give you my example. I was rejected by Wipro and I was very much, frustrated, depressed, tensed. On campus, I was rejected by Wipro, and then what happened? I got selected in TCS. I mean Tata company, Tata Elxsi basically. And that's, that was a different thing happened in my life. Okay, see, always your Tata company, it will be better than any other company. If you take Infosys, Wipro and all, I will tell you it is the best company among all this service based company. Okay, and I always tell that because of their lot of learnings are there, advantages are there, you can only see and understand it. So whatever happens in life, it happens for a good reason. So if today you are getting rejected, or today if you are becoming fail somewhere, don't worry about it, because every failure will teach you some lessons and you will be ready for taking the new challenges, and something best or something good is going to happen for you. Okay, fine. Now friend, TCS MBA hiring. So this TCS MBA hiring, right? So let your business skill make you the center of attention. So registration open for management post, graduate from the batch of 2025. Registration open, registration end date. So 20 of Feb, 6 days after Valentine Day. Very good. So it is the end date, and test date will be March 10th, 13, before Holi. So about TCS MBA hiring batch of 2025 application process. So log on to the TCS Next Step portal. If you click here, it will take you to the different portal. Register and apply for the drive. If you have already a registered user, kindly log in with your TCS reference ID. If you are a new user, click on register. Now choose category as IT. Don't choose as BPS. Select your mode of test in center and choose your preferred test center, and then click on apply. To continue your status, track your application. The status should reflect as applied for drive. This is an in-center test. Communication related test will be informed to you by TCS ION. TCS does not send job offers or any hiring related communication. TCS does not ask candidate to deposit any money. TCS is not associated with any external agency. Okay, so all those details they have given. Eligibility here if you'll see. So basically you should have done MBA from a recognized university. Okay, and fine. They have not given any percentage criteria as such here. First class. Okay, a student has cleared the highest qualification in first class post completion of the course. 60% are equivalent in 10th, 12th and diploma. So in your academics, 60% is required. Okay, test pattern, if you go aptitude and reasoning, where it went. Okay, test pattern will be aptitude, reasoning, and aptitude, verbal ability, and business aptitude. Okay, your MBA related things. And that's how you are going to apply for TCS MBA 2025. So just click here for the registration. Here register now, select IT. If you have already account, then you please go ahead and enroll with your CTDT ID. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.